In this video, we go from this to this. So we got this case because, well, she thought it was cute. All right, just picked up this Jarvis standing table for 50 bucks. So here are all the parts for the build. 5900G. Some white fans, Be Quiet, CPU cooler, A520i motherboard. This little power supply, only like 300 watts or something. And I already installed the power supply because I never built something this small, and I just want to make sure it fit. So it has little grommets for the top fans, so very easy to install. Like two 120s and then I think 2 more 120s on the bottom.
Alright, and then these two go. It's closed.
Yeah. First boot up, everything is going. Can't really see that. Fans. So this is the final setup of everything. Got a new little mat. Got the PC over there. The wires are not too bad. And yes, the table works for 50 bucks. Which is great. Anyways, subscribe.